NB.
Okay. Oh wow. I myself, when I was learn Esperanto to live on the time, I told you just now. I was telling you just now. Tell you. I just fell in love in one word or three words. Me Musafir. The meaning is yo te amo or I love you. Esperanto is that Japanese language? No, my lecturer said this is not Japanese. Sir, instead of that language, teach me that. Day by day, weeks by one, my lecturer doesn't have time. But 2012, I give up that. I never learned that anything. But when I was 2013, I myself take a book and then copy every single book. You know what? Every Esperanto books. You know what? I have 10 books more and more, right? And then in my laptop, I have a lot of Esperanto books because my lecturer from United States, Europe, and then every continent send me that book in my file. Until now, I learned Esperanto first time when I joined English Club 2014 and then 15. Every yell me, mocking me, underestimate me, and then spin on me. What for learn Esperanto? No one used that. What for learn Esperanto? No one used that. Yeah, I almost, give up. Yeah, I don't give up, man. What for learn Esperanto? Is that important? And then I joined in Polyglot Indonesia. Anyone knows Esperanto language? Because I almost gave up. Gave up because at the time, because no one uses Esperanto language at the time. Well, Miss Ilya asked me my number, then my email, then asked me in agriculture, a lot of people can speak Esperanto. That's why I again and again, and then now I can, imagine that I have a friend, Frank, Chilean. I count that every country. I never find it give, and then Lima, Peru, and then Russia, and then Monaco, Bucharest, and then Czechia, everything, or Europe. In Europe, I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of friends in, Sao Paulo, Brazil. Fenua melando me keramico bon polu. Mi bolas donas alfi la monon alfi. Set fi bolas hafas la Esperanto domo mi keramico. Esperanto domo estas bolas hafas aduno ala dima charma kaila kama kaila kala monon kaila ruzon kala chamizon mi keramico. Bon polu fenua melando me keramico.